Now right in front of you is a mirror placed. I'm just taking right on the top of that mirror, you can see the curvature. And we have arranged 3 light rays from the source of light in such a way that they are parallel to each other and they go and fall onto the surface of the mirror. I'm not telling what mirror is it. Now question is, you should tell what is the mirror. Is it concave mirror or convex mirror? Right? Just by looking at the reflected light rays. You can see reflected light rays are a bit dim compared to the incident rays and they are moving away. Right? I'm sure that you will tell me that the mirror which is used here is a convex mirror because convex mirror diverges the light rays. This phenomena is called divergence. They move away. You can see these light rays are moving away. But now I am bringing the camera and make you to see inside the mirror now. Look at inside the mirror, and inside the mirror they appear as if they are converging, isn't it? Well, now if these are the light rays reflected from the plane mirror, right? Because they have incidented again at right angles to the plane of the mirror. Consider this is the plane of the mirror. Now, as I have already told you, if you make this plane mirror into a convex mirror, and what is convex mirror? Convex mirror is the one which is bulged upward. And see what happens to these light rays. Are they not moving away? And that is what is divergence. Understood? It's all because of the curvature here. Right? Now, how will you draw this diagram? That is what we have to do in this tutorial. Let us take a ruled paper. And why ruled paper? We need to practice on ruled paper because we are again going to draw it in the exam on ruled paper like this. And important thing is, I want you to now pause this video and keep your compass box, particularly a scale as well as a protractor with you. Right? It appears to be very simple when you watch the entire video without actually drawing it, but when it comes to exam, it will be very difficult to draw it again. So the first thing what you have to do here is make use of the lines which are already there on the ruled paper, right? And keep a scale there. I have selected one line which is here and I have taken a scale here because I just want to trace that line and draw the straight line there, right? The next thing is keep a protector, but this is not the way how I have to keep the protector because I am going to draw now a convex mirror, and convex mirror I can draw even by keeping like this, but then I have to keep properly, right? And then draw a curve. Now did you understand why did I use a protractor to draw divergence of light here? To draw the convex mirror. Right? Well, then you have to show that it's a mirror, so you have to shade it on one side. That indicates it's a rough side. It doesn't give any image on that side. It's a back side of the image, whereas this is the front side of the image. And every mirror will have a center point here. It's called pole of the mirror here. Right? So this is pole of the mirror. So when you are working on your notebook now, pause this video, draw this and then go to the next step. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll write pole here. Okay, and then this axis which you have seen right in front of you, this is the axis called principal axis. Recall the previous video of principal axis of concave mirror, right? So I'll write principal axis here. Now let me take two light rays parallel to the principal axis, one above here, another is here. So again I am using these lines, right? So let me keep this scale back and draw the light ray, and at the bottom also let me keep the scale right on that line which is already there on the ruled paper and draw a straight line. So these two are the incident rays, and you have seen already during the start of this video how will they reflect, right? You can refer, go back and see how will they reflect. They diverge. But to draw a rays which are diverged, I have taken a reference point here. Look at this reference point, right? So why that reference point is because I am going to keep this scale here right on that reference point, one end here, and the second edge, the same scale should move along with this point of incident and the reference point, and now I am ready to draw the reflected ray, and reflected ray will go back here and in this direction. Okay, so reflected ray is done. In the same way, keeping this as a reference point, down below we have to draw reflected ray. Now you can see this convex mirror, right? Convex mirror, and these are the rays which have diverged after reflection from the convex mirror, right? Now diagram is not yet over. When these reflected light rays are brought back, suppose if you can bring back these reflected light rays, will they not pass through this point? Surely, and that we have to do it. But reflected light rays cannot be brought back because it's an opaque body here. So the direction I can show, I am keeping again back this and show that with the help of a dotted line. That means it is just a direction here. Okay. In the same way, I am keeping this way here the scale right on these 2 points and draw this here. So I can tell you now that when they are extended back, they appear to meet on a point on the principal axis, and that is the point which is called principal focus, right? Please recall principal focus of concave mirror. It's bit different, and we will take up both together in the next video. So you will have a correct difference of that and a practice of drawing. But the question sometimes comes, define principal focus of the convex mirror. Okay, make it mirror here. This is mirror, not lens. If at all I have used the word lens, you have to correct it as a mirror, right? So let me correct it this also here in the video editing. Okay, now how will you define principal focus of convex mirror, right? Simple. Light rays which are parallel to the principal axis, these are the light rays which are parallel to the principal axis, gets diverged, these are diverged rays, after reflected from convex mirror, right? And when these diverged rays are extended backward, they appear to meet at a point on the principal axis, and this point is called principal focus of convex mirror. This is very important diagram. Both the diagrams are very important diagrams, and these are the basics of the spherical mirrors. Though it is not there in your syllabus of class 8th light chapter, I am requesting you to consider this, and we shall have a diagram for the exams, because this will help you in future classes, right? See you with another video about spherical mirrors, which combines again a ray diagram of convex and concave mirrors together. Till then, thank you very much.